Hey, amazing folks! I've got the lowdown on Onpassive, and trust me, it's like the coolest story ever. From product launches to marketing magic, customer love, founder recognition, and sweet commission payouts. Let's break it down in super simple terms. 1. Super cool products. Onpassive is cooking up some seriously cool stuff. Think of it like the latest, greatest gadgets you can't wait to get your hands on. They're launching these fantastic products that are making everyone go, wow! It's like the coolest show in town. 2. Smart marketing moves. Now imagine your friend throwing the best party and inviting everyone. Onpassive is like that friend, but in the digital world. They're telling everyone about their amazing products using smart tricks and cool tech. It's like spreading the news about the best party in town. 3. Sharing the love with customers. Guess what? Onpassive is making sure its awesome products reach the right people. People like you and me. They're not just making cool stuff, they're making sure we get to enjoy it. It's like getting a VIP pass to the coolest party because you're awesome. 4. Shout out to the founders. There are these incredible visionaries, the founders, who believed in Onpassive from the get-go. They're like the pioneers of this amazing journey. Onpassive is giving them a big shout-out, saying, "Thanks for being the first on this adventure with us." It's like being part of an exclusive club. 5. Money in your pocket. Woohoo! Now here's the best part, getting paid. Onpassive believes in sharing the success. So when the products rock the market and everyone's cheering, they're making sure the people who help make it happen, that's you and me again, get a sweet thank you in the form of money, commissions. It's like getting a high five for being awesome. So there you have it. Onpassive is like the coolest friend throwing the best digital party, making sure everyone has a blast and even sharing the joy with sweet rewards. Get ready for the grand unveiling. Onpassive is bringing everything together for a story of success that's simple, fun, and awesome. To learn more and become a part of this incredible journey, visit Onpassive's official website today, onpassive.com. Follow me for more to come.